This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Verify your user role and that you have patient ID, insurance code, and 2 emergency contacts. Once done, install the Access Care Planning app and complete 2-factor authentication so you can access sensitive records securely. Next, sign in with your institutional credentials and grant required permissions for notifications and location if prompted. Make sure to accept terms and verify your email. This prevents lockouts. These first steps get you into the app correctly and protect patient privacy as you proceed. Now build the plan by selecting a template or starting from blank to match the patient's needs. Template speed setup for common conditions. Add tasks, meds, appointments, vitals, with exact times, dosages, and reminders so adherence is measurable. Assign responsibilities to team members and caregivers, and attach documents or imaging for context. Once tasks are entered, set deadlines and recurrence rules to keep care consistent. Make sure to review dependencies and permissions so each person sees only what they should and notifications trigger appropriately. Finish by reviewing the plan summary and running a quick simulation to confirm reminders and workflows fire as expected. After you confirm, lock the plan to prevent accidental edits, export a PDF for the record, and sync with calendar or the EHR so everyone is aligned. If something goes wrong, first clear the app cache and retry, then verify permissions and network access. If issues persist, capture the app logs and contact support with timestamps and user ID so they can trace and resolve the error quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.